Hello students, today we will discuss passing arrays as function arguments in C. In this lecture, we discuss about that how we can pass arrays as the argument of the functions used in a C program. For discussing this mechanism, let's take an example of a C program which will take an array as an argument along with another argument, and based on passed arguments it will return average of the numbers passed through the array. Let's write the C program for calculating the average of the numbers passed through the array as a function argument. Include the two header files. Start the main function. Here I am taking an array of integer type with the name balance and whose size is 5. In the curly braces, I am initializing the values of an array that are 1000, 2, 3, 17 and 50. Take one more variable of double type named average. This variable stores the average of all the numbers stored in the array. Then avg is equal to get average, that is the function used, and in the parameter of this function I am passing the balance array with the size 5. Write the printf statement that the average value is %f, because average value comes out to be in the float value, that's why we have to use %f here, comma avg, that is the variable that stores that value. Close the main function. Then define the function used, that is get average. The parameter passed within this function are, first is the array of integer type with the name arr, comma int size. This size is the size of an array of arr. Start this function. Take three variables, first of integer type int I, then double average and double sum. Use the for loop for calculating the sum of all values stored in an array. I is equal to 0, I less than size plus plus I, sum plus is equal to arr I. Close the for loop. After calculating the sum, calculate the average with the formula that average is equal to sum divided by size, and return the value of the variable average, that is return avg. Close the function. How this program works: when the compiler encountered this line, then compiler encountered this function, the control will be transferred to the definition of this function. In this function, we are calculating the sum and the average of all the values stored in the array. The parameter passed in this function is first the array and the second parameter its size. So in this function, first using the for loop, the sum will be calculated by this formula, and after that average will be calculated, that is equal to sum divided by the size, and the average value will be returned back, and that is stored in the variable avg. So when we call this function, we passed the balance array which we have initialized above, and its size is 5. So here these two are the actual parameter and these are the formal parameters. Then in the last line, the value of the average variable is printed with the using printf statement. So in this way we can pass an array as a function argument. Let's run this program on Turbo C software. This is the program. First we have include the two header files. Then here we declare the function getAverage. In the main function, first we initialize an array balance, then call the getAverage function, and in the getAverage function we passed the balance array and its size. After this line, the control will be transferred to the definition of the getAverage function. In this function we have calculated first the sum of the values in an array, and after that average, that is equal to sum divided by size. The average value will be returned back by this function, and then this value will be printed here using the printf statement. Let's compile this program. There is no error and no warning. Then run this program. Here you can see the output that average value is 214.4000. This average value is according to the values that I have given here when I initialize the array balance. So in this way we can pass an one-dimensional array as the argument of the function used in the C program. Thank you.